Hello, sorry I haven't got a video up this week. I'm going to put this little one up to explain what I'm going to be doing and what I'm working on in the next couple of weeks, hopefully next weekend. But there's quite a bit to design and do, but I want to make a battery operated lathe. Now I have this old, planer, completely smashed up. Switch was knackered, but I believe the motor works, so I salvaged the motor. Well, that was all that was left really, and all the plastic was smashed, and the bearings seem to be good, so I reckon that could be the drive. I've got the belt as well, which will be good. Now the switch I know is knackered. I've tried it, doesn't work, something's gone in there. But this I know is an off and on, which we don't want anyway, so get rid of that. And I saved, if it works, a variable speed one a couple of years ago. Now it's got reverse on it. We wouldn't need the reverse, but yeah, it's got the light. If that works, we can control the speed. So we have the drive, we have the power, so it will be a mini portable lathe. Don't know if it's going to work, but it's all testing. And we'll have a little light to stick on somewhere. My idea in thinking, I've already checked it and it works, which is pretty good, is having that somewhere like that, having a threaded rod so you could attach your spike or whatever it is at the end. This fits into the bearing absolutely lovely. Where are they? A couple of nuts. I was thinking something like this. As you can see, obviously some Loctite and everything else on it to make sure it wouldn't undo, just like that. Or some locking nuts I might get. In fact, we could probably get away with putting another nut in there. So that gives us a bar to work from. And that's going to put the pulley over. There you go. So now that is connected. So if we get that wired up to that, variable speed, which is good, a light that I could mount somewhere up here on something, a big spring. Then I have a couple of bearings, so I might put a bearing in situ there to take the load, and then have the spike here, and then have a movable piece here. And obviously with a battery I'll have a kill switch sort of like here, and obviously the variable switch here, and it will just be a miniature battery powered lathe. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this project. There's a lot into it. I'm just gonna try and do it though, scavenge it basically. There's a bit of play, but once I think I tighten that up, yeah, it's much better. So yeah, I'm gonna scavenge all the parts the best I can, use only basic tools. I might use a welder, and a soldering iron, and some wood, plastic, whatever I can get my hands on really. Look forward to doing it. Like, subscribe.